chop wood, farmer man a chop green grass. When them a chop wood, farmer man a chop green grass. What me say we do? Talk about scam. I farm me money they ban.
You don't know. So the boy Michael the farmer, you know, back in the place, you see me, so really apologize about the long wait, almost a year now, or a year plus. I haven't dropped any new video. But today I'm going to something new. So today we just saw a vlog for cleaning out a Pigpen. So you remember them Pigpen, you remember the bill last year? Well, they need some renovation because the pig them mashed them up, to be honest. So they might get renovated, I think, in next week or two. But today we're going to clean them out, so I really do some deep cleaning. Disinfect, soap down, disinfect again, and then wash down. So that we're going to do today. And we have some new piglet in town. You know, you'll see them, or you can see them somewhere. So. But yeah, so just stay tuned to what I'll go on today. There's a thing, you know. Farmer.
No, the vibe. The vibe very dark.
Very nice. Alright, my boy. What are these? Say something, Jamaica. Why pray?
As I can see, we have face look obstacles, you know, because we want to wash out the pen and the pipe. That was a year ago, been a while ago, so we end up there to cut it. So if a piece need back, we have to cut a bigger holes, then it push it in, and then we'll clamp it with this. We'll clamp it with the pipe clamp them. But them not really hold, no grip. I don't know why. And this is not the first me I use clamp, and them not really hold a grip. This very tough than this. So, and by the time the pressure start push from the pump, it can flick off them here, but it will hold based on my experience using the clamp and this pipe for the past 2 months. It will work.
Pig farms use well water, canal water, or
pipe water for watering animals, cleaning facilities, animal cleaning, and in some instance for moving manure to the manure storage facilities. Most pigs are raised in an all-in, all-out environment where one group of pigs at the same stage of production is moved into a location and stay there until the group is ready to move to another location or on to slaughter. Between groups, the facilities is truly cleaned by pre-soaking or power washing. In the summer, during periods of extreme heat, pigs may be cooled by using drippers. Don't know, soap and disinfectant mixed together, clean out the coop them. So you see how we really put in the work on the farm. So who really there on my Instagram and my WhatsApp, see my post my farm daily. Animal them, and see how I drove here with my animal them. I'm look at baby them. Yeah, I don't really post about my farm that much, even on the internet, neither the location, but close people. What's this say? Yeah, I do the work every day, I do the hectic work every day. I can see clean out the pen them, wash them down. I didn't even touch my chicken coop yet. I'm there from after 11. And basically what time is it now? Like after 2? Minutes to 3. Yeah, so I saw it out still. Yeah, the zinc them there for go up on top. So enough video I drop, man. Enough video I drop. I now go slack up on this here. I go need contents then. So share and subscribe. And you can purchase chicken also from me from the Clucking Chicken JA. So the Clucking Chicken JA, that's the Instagram name. You can just go over on my page, share, follow, and just buy chicken.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Can look at, can see a sheep. Yo, can look at sister sheep pregnant, you know. She's pregnant, but trace up water for now. How to clean pens. Remove and clean feeders and other equipment. Then remove all loose down from the pen and walls. Hose down walls and ceiling to remove dust. And soak pen with water and detergent. A cleanser and solvent which makes cake on material easier to remove. Soak heavily cake pen for 24 hours. Soaking the pen and using detergent reduces water use and cleaning time. Pressure clean, ideally with hot water or steam. Take care not to damage concrete surfaces. When cleaning pens, ensure all piglets or weaners are protected or removed from adjacent pen to prevent chilling. Disinfecting the walls, floors, and roof with a spraying disinfectant. Disinfectants are substances selected to kill infectious agents including bacteria, fungus, and viruses. To save time and money, it is essential to truly clean a pen before disinfecting it, as most disinfectants adversely react with organic matter. Disinfect the water system. Control rats, mice, and flies from keeping the site tidy and free from overgrown grass and weeds.
Bring one. 2 or 5 water now.
Clean. You see that? She pop up the nipple them there, pop them up. But yeah, clean down the right way. As I can see, they mash up all of the pen them. They have new pen them. I drop a link. I drop a link in the body for sure now. When I just build them pen. And come like when them find one hole, I hit that one hole means say them first dig up the whole pen them. Okay. Pure right, that's it. It's a whole line of block DJ right here, so you know. A whole line of block. And put 2 pig in there. Steal everything the man them root out. Turn over everything. So in this week, I may have to come look upon the thing then. As I say, as I did tweet, so I need to build 4 more pig pen quick and fast, because this pig over here is pregnant. You can see such pregnant. So I need to have a special pen for she. If you have a special pen for she, I need to renovate back this up in here, because this is one of the main pen. As you can see, it's a 1 big pen, which are 2 may have. So I need to renovate back this and put back the block them right there, so and build 4 more pen right there, so.